Do you want to quickly transform your yard without complicated expenses? Then watch this collection. Here are 100 unusual DIY garden decor ideas that will help make your plot brighter, cozier, and much more interesting. This kind of panel looks natural. The material itself works beautifully here. Wood slices, branches, and ceramics add texture. You can create a cheerful garden accent from ordinary clay pots, one that instantly brings a flower bed to life. These decorative flowers look especially good on a large scale because they are easy to notice from afar and work like a sculpture. A mirrored sphere immediately catches the eye and turns an ordinary flower bed into a modern decorative centerpiece of the plot. Branches, wheels, and flowers come together in a simple but memorable decor piece that is easy to recreate with your own hands. A wooden boat makes the plot feel more fairy tale-like and immediately becomes a strong vertical accent in an open area. A woven swan looks both like a planter and a garden sculpture at the same time, so it decorates the plot even without complicated design. Each wagon here can be used as a separate flower bed, so the composition turns out both beautiful and functional. Bright wooden details immediately break up the dull line of the fence and turn the passage into a more lively space. This is exactly the kind of case when an unnecessary item gets a second life and becomes a real decoration of the garden.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.